Well, I must say, this thing has been a blessing. It has been, it has been that consistent source of income. The robot is just magnificent. It's something that I've never thought in my life that I could come up with something that can actually change people's lives. I mean, every day I keep on seeing tremendous results. I keep on seeing tremendous improvement, life achievements. People are giving me a lot of messages, a lot of videos appreciating what I've done. I never thought that I would reach this level. I'm humbled. I am humbled, and I must say I'm happy as well. I am so much happy. The NAS killer robot is just magnificent. It's great, guys. I'm telling you now, as I will tell you later in the year, that you will miss out. You are missing out on a great opportunity of lifetime. This thing is the best in Europe, because a lot of my clients from Europe are happy. It's the best in America, and a lot of my clients from America, majority of them are happy. They are happy. It's the best of the best in Africa, because Africa is just taking over. It's taking over. It started here in Africa, and now I think that it's actually ready to go all over the world. I'm talking Asia. I'm talking everywhere. I'm talking everywhere. So, guys, let's go ahead and make a lot of money and make this money. There is a lot of money. There is a more than 7 trillion US dollars every day circulating in the forex market. So, guys, let's make the money and be happy. At the end of the day, what we invest into is the ones that I will manifest in few years. That thing is just great. Guys, get the robot, get the NAS killer robot. It's just magnificent. It will change your life. It's gonna give you that edge. It's gonna push you to the level you've never thought. It's going to increase your monthly income. If you are earning that 10,000, you are earning that 15,000, 30,000, 50,000, it will increase that income of yours each and every month. Just imagine working and also having this robot to work for you. You're making this income. You've got the freedom to actually leave your job at any time. That's the freedom we're fighting for. We're fighting for the freedom to leave your job at any time you feel like it. You get your packages, you invest in the forex market, and you know you are going to make a lot of money anyways. Your children won't suffer. Your family won't suffer. They will actually go to private schools. They will actually you'll actually pay in advance the tuition fees. So, guys, that's something that I always wanted to do in people's life. I'm glad that now I've got the opportunity to actually impact your lives and be the person that is actually gonna make you realize that forex was never a scam. The scam, it was the people that were introducing you guys in the forex market. Now, guys, is the chance for you to actually make it. Guys, love you all. Peace. Wait a minute. Wait. Before you go. Guys, I nearly forgot. To get the robot, it's only 1,000 rands if you're from South Africa. But if you're from other countries all over the world, it's a 75 US dollars. 75 US dollars for international clients. So, guys, we've got these 3 packages that you can choose from. It's a variety of packages. I recommend the last one. Because it's actually, you get more benefits than any other package anyways. So, package number 1, it is the forex mentorship and signals, which you get it for only $50. The price is back to normal. We had a special for January, but then it's over. It's $50 to join the forex signals and mentorship, which is 750 rands. 750 rands. $50, 750 rands. $50 for international clients. Local clients is 750 rands to join the group and also be mentored and also get that edge and make money every day from our signals. And also, package number 2 is the robot itself, the NAS killer robot. It's only 1,000 rands. It's only 1,000 rands, like I said. 1,000 rands to get the robot. 75 US dollars. 75 US dollars. 1,000 rands for local clients. International clients, 75 US dollars. So to get the whole package, to be in the group and benefits from signals and mentorship, and also get the robot at the same time, This is a package itself. You get both of these things. Be in the group, benefit from signals and mentorship, and also get the robot. You only pay once, which is 1,350 rands. 1,350 rands to get the package. International clients, $100. $100. That's the amount you need to pay to change your life. Is that so hard? Is that so hard to hustle? No. $100. $100, which is 1,350 rands for local clients. Guys, I wish you all the best in this forex markets, and let's make money and let's continue in making this 2021 a great year again. Cheers.